Adventure awaits, and the Benelli TRX 902 Xplorer is the perfect companion to conquer any terrain. Let's take a closer look at this beast. Welcome back to Biker's Choice. If you're an adventure enthusiast looking for a bike that can handle everything from rugged trails to open highways, then the Benelli TRX 902 Xplorer is a machine you need to know about. This all-new adventure motorcycle promises to blend power, durability, and comfort like never before. In this video, we'll explore what makes the TRX 902 Xplorer a true contender in the adventure bike market. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of this incredible machine. Designed for the adventurer. The first thing you'll notice about the TRX 902 Xplorer is its bold, aggressive design. With a muscular front end, rugged styling, and a commanding stance, this bike looks ready to tackle anything in its path. The large protective front fairing and high-mounted front fender scream off-road capability, while the sleek modern bodywork suggests it's more than capable of handling those long-distance tours. Engine power and performance. At the heart of the TRX 902 Xplorer is a 900cc parallel twin engine, delivering an impressive 76 horsepower and ample torque. This powertrain ensures that the TRX 902 Xplorer has the grunt needed to power through rough terrain while maintaining a smooth ride on highways. The engine is responsive, providing a perfect balance of power when you need it most, whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating muddy trails, or cruising down the open road. Combined with the bike's 6-speed transmission and optimized gear ratios, the TRX 902 Xplorer offers the kind of performance you expect from a premium adventure bike. Off-road capability. Adventure bikes aren't just about looks and speed, they need to perform when the road ends, and the TRX 902 Xplorer excels in this area. With a robust suspension setup, including long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, the TRX 902 Xplorer is ready to absorb bumps, rocks, and rough terrain with ease. Its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels are fitted with knobby tires that provide exceptional grip, whether you're tackling muddy trails, rocky paths, or sandy dunes. The bike's frame is built tough, offering stability and confidence on even the most challenging off-road routes. Comfort and ergonomics for long rides. While the TRX 902 Xplorer is a performance machine, it doesn't skimp on rider comfort. The ergonomics are designed with long-distance adventure in mind. The seat is well padded and offers just the right balance between comfort and support, ensuring you stay fresh on those extended rides. The handlebars are positioned for an upright and relaxed riding stance, which is crucial when you're spending hours in the saddle. Technology and features. Benelli hasn't overlooked the importance of modern technology in the TRX 902 Xplorer. The bike comes equipped with a full-color TFT display that provides essential riding information, including speed, navigation, fuel consumption, and more. The intuitive interface is easy to read in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for long rides at all times of the day. Additionally, the TRX 902 Xplorer features advanced ride modes that allow you to adjust the power delivery and suspension settings, tailoring the bike to different terrains and riding styles. With features like keyless ignition, ABS, and traction control, this bike is as advanced as it is rugged. Durability and versatility. Durability is essential for any adventure bike, and the TRX 902 Xplorer doesn't disappoint. Benelli has crafted this motorcycle with tough, high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of off-road riding. From the heavy-duty skid plate to the reinforced frame, this bike is built to endure the toughest conditions. Plus, the TRX 902 Xplorer is designed to be versatile, with ample space for luggage and accessories, allowing you to carry everything you need for your journey. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trail ride or a multi-day cross-country adventure, this bike has your back. Conclusion. The Benelli TRX 902 Xplorer is a game-changer for adventure enthusiasts who demand more from their bikes. Its perfect blend of power, performance, comfort, and technology makes it an ideal companion for those who want to explore new horizons. With a design that's both rugged and stylish, a powerful engine and off-road capabilities that rival some of the best in the market, the TRX 902 Xplorer is ready to take on any challenge you throw at it. If you're as excited about the Benelli TRX 902 Xplorer as we are, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle content here at Biker's Choice. Got any questions or comments about the TRX 902 Xplorer? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, ride safely and explore the world with confidence.